Yellow people.
Yellow people.
You guys, you're all yellow.
All right, so I started this off here.
Really yellow.
This is a retail pack that has 24 packs. Retail. So it has 24. It's quite a lot.
Yeah, that's
Fat packs.
They're not fat packs. They're sort of like retail packs or gravity packs, I've heard people call them.
I don't know what that means.
They're the 16. This is,
Whoa, that's a lot.
this is a lot of cards. So it's over 300 cards here.
You can open them all.
Yeah,
Should we
I think so.
open some?
Yes, you can. Would you like to open some? It's not easy. I have a weird setup here where you have to have your hands like around a book.
Not a book.
You want to open the first pack, Alex? So how's this? I'm going to do this. I'm going to. I'll get a bunch of cards for you to open, Alex. But I'm going to open the packs.
Well, if you open some, then I have to open some.
Okay, fair enough.
That's just how it works.
All right, so here we go. We're
I
gonna.
open a thing, you open a
I'm gonna give you 4 packs to open. No, you know what? I'll give you 3
I want
packs,
11.
so you can. Ella will get 11 packs.
Yeah.
And so one thing that we'll say to 401 breaks is we're looking out for Yankees. So if you see any Yankee cards that you guys really like, you can comment because we have not sent you a package because we haven't been getting out of the house much.
Enter to win free cards, guys.
Yeah, so you pretty much can. If you see a Yankee here, we will call that you
Or
can.
it doesn't have to be a Yankee.
If you just
Yeah,
want a card
yeah.
you
Okay.
like, just be like, oh
Okay,
my god, I want
Alex,
that.
go ahead.
Oh my
Be
god.
like, give me right now. Give me right now,
Like-
or else I don't like you.
Okay, just your hands.
Okay, it's a little hard.
It's a little hard. Yeah.
Yeah, so Mackenzie, Shohei Ohtani,
Show the camera. A little bit.
Bebo.
No, you're good. You're good. I just mean like tip it like this.
Ooh.
Yeah. Do the old tip.
You gotta be fancy about it.
Mikey Fultonelli. Right? I think I don't care. Oh, upside down. This is Ian Happ. Also upside. Alright, I don't care that some fall. Max Kepler. Luke Voigt.
Who is not better than
Johnny
Alonso?
Cueto. Clayton Kershaw.
We were just watching a
Max Muncy. What?
top 10 first baseman.
Yeah, Max
And they
Muncy's
put
been getting
Luke
a lot
Voigt
of
above
props.
Pete
Yeah.
Alonso, which is completely absurd.
Yes, as coming from diehard Mets fans.
Yeah, I just got Nolan Arenado. I showed the
And
camera
also,
really
do you know
close.
what this whole Max
Audience?
Muncy hype is about? Because they put Max Muncy.
That's
like,
yeah. We need to look into that. Like, what's the sabermetrics behind
Weaver.
that?
Yeah, because I
Kevin
don't think he's ever
Kiermaier?
been particularly good.
I mean, I think he's good, but
What?
I don't fully know
Malcolm
why he's
Gonzalez?
rated so
Oh,
high. I need to look into
paper.
that. I'm not saying he's not worth it. I just don't get it yet.
I think they are upside down.
So if you want to
What?
inform us in the comments to save us from research, that would be
Jacob.
nice.
I'm not gonna try. Yeah, no.
Ooh,
Ryan
okay.
Castell. Okay.
Castellano.
Why? Okay. Nick Heff. Mark Hanna. Willie Calhoun.
Would you agree these are difficult to read?
Yes.
Salvador
Salvador
Perez.
Perez. Oh, now a Met robbing a home run in the leaves.
Oh,
Julio Urias.
What is this? What is? Oh! Unfortunately, this is a through the years. So that is a card. This I think this is the card that gets everyone prematurely psyched in this pack. It's not an action. It's a card showing an autograph card. That's not an autograph card.
obviously.
Yeah. Josh Bell,
Is that actually signed?
1952. No, that's not. That's the style of the 1952 card.
Oh. Marcus Simeon.
What's the point of this card? The Ohtani one?
Well, I think it's because the 70-year anniversary, so they're showing like cards through the years.
Marcus Simeon.
Okay. The creative director's getting a little frisky.
Mike Minor. Ooh.
It's
Ooh,
cool that he
World
can play
Series
baseball
Walker
if he's a
Buehler.
minor. Bad joke, guys.
Mookie Betts. Whoa.
You got your
LeMahieu.
popular girl voice.
DJ.
Roberto Perez.
For a second, I thought you were
Chris
gonna say Roberto
Bubbick.
Clemente.
Rookie. Haven't heard of him, but it's a rookie.
Oh, flip. Bew Burrows. Okay.
Okay.
That's amazing.
Bo.
I'm kidding.
We like our
Boba
both
Six.
future stars.
It's just us. Eric Sugart,
Yeah, it's really hard to read these.
Malik Smith, Brandon Crawford, Chris Paddock, Stevie Maddie, Nate Pearson,
It's a rookie. That's,
Seth Lugo,
like that.
ooh, yummy. Rogned Odor,
yeah,
Wilmer Flores, and then
like,
the
I
card
like Wilmer's one of my favorite former Mets guys.
Blake Snell and
Wilmer, if you're watching
Ooh.
this, my dad's obsessed with you.
yeah, because
No,
Wilmer
I like
is definitely
Wilmer. I just
watching us.
Wilmer.
I just got a
It's hard not to like
card
Wilmer
here.
as a former Mets fan. So Ella, I'm gonna open a bunch of cards for you.
Okay.
Let me move these guys over. We're not gonna do a recap.
I
because we
think
have
this is
too
gonna
many
be like
cards.
a really long video of us
yeah.
just opening cards.
Yeah,
for
that's
no
a-
reason.
That's,
Guys,
it's
tune
not
in
for
to
no
this
reason.
2-hour-long
Yeah.
video.
Welcome! Subscribe. I'm kidding.
All right, I'm trying to open up cards. For
Guys,
Ella,
we're
but I'm
not
actually-
always this annoying.
We sometimes are.
Yeah.
Like
The-
99% of the time.
They sleep too.
Yeah. Oh, sometimes.
Like it's like blah blah annoying. Shh.
I mean, we're still annoying when we're sleeping.
Point taken. You make good points. You're very.
You know how I said we're not always this annoying?
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna take that back.
All right, Ella.
We are.
I know you have one good rookie
Yeah,
in
we're
here.
literally
You got
like we're the definition of annoying. Like if you're gonna like
Alright,
send
how do
something
you
to your
do
friends,
this?
send this clip.
you got to put your arms around here. So this is a really weird setup. I did
So I
not
have to look
invest
through
in
the
this.
phone.
I Jimmy
Yeah, it's
rigged
hard.
it. If that's the word.
Like I
Jimmy?
can't see what they
Jimmy.
can see, so I'm like,
Jimmy and
what?
Jimmy.
What?
Okay, let's
Miss
see.
Moreland.
Mikey
Trout.
Trouty.
All right, let's put
All right,
this
can you
thing
see
here.
the cards?
Oops.
Can you see the cards?
Can they?
Because I mean, my last video, you couldn't really see the cards too well. That was my fault.
Well,
Shane Beebs.
I am.
Hold on, I need to fix this. It's gonna bother me. It's for my OCD.
Okay, yeah, we'll do this. We'll get a Trout up here. I probably could have done that maybe with another card. No, we didn't get any.
Shane Bieber here. You can put Shane Bieber just for the sake of.
No, we don't
Decoration.
need to put Shane Bieber there. You got a Pache coming. We'll put him up there.
Whoa! Spoiler alert!
Sorry.
No, it's not nice.
Your butt.
Do
Gardner,
not call me a butt. Everybody.
Carter
Okay.
Kaiboom,
I have no control over my children.
Evan.
Yeah, his name is Evan.
Miles Mikolas? Is that what that says?
Michaelis.
Oh, okay. JD Martinez. Guys, the 9-year-old knows more than me.
I want to see if we get any parallels out of this.
What is this?
That might be a parallel, as I say it.
Andrew
That's the
McCutcheon.
stars. Yeah, but I want to see if we get
McCutcheon.
like numbered parallels. Or
Garrett Cole.
I'm hoping for some cool.
This one is a different material.
Yeah, this is the 1952 one, so it's a different. It's like less glossy, but it's a little, I think, thicker stock.
Got it. This is Wade LeBlanc.
I don't.
Slam Diego. Alex like
Ella,
these.
you can't
I
see the
love
cards,
those.
buddy.
Oh, you can't?
No, you can't. You got to keep the cards over here.
Slam Diego.
Here, this is so cool, like the tattoos.
Well, yeah, we'll put that. No, you're not making these executive decisions. Go ahead.
Okay, I'm gonna try to make this work. Okay.
I didn't put anything there because like I'm waiting. So like I'm not
Trout,
gonna put
I
it
agree
in,
with Trout.
Like in the
Trevor
Video.
Williams,
you won't get to see
Hunter
anything.
Renfro. Can they see it now?
Mhm.
Griffin Canning. No, the problem is I can't see it anymore.
Yeah.
Pache.
Pache. Oh, so you can make the executive
Yes.
executive decisions.
Yeah, that was my point.
When you're done, put
Miguel
my
Cabrera, Miggy.
valuable- Probably none of them on, but put my cool cards. in
Adam
there, too.
Platico,
Platico.
Gio Gonzalez, Wilson Contreras. No, Alex, I know how to read.
Okay. You don't have to say everybody. You can just
Kenta
go-
Maeda.
ones that are like
We
not,
like
to say
not big
people.
deals,
Okay.
or you know that you don't find as significant.
But part of
rookie,
card
but-
opening.
Oh, I can pronounce his name, so I'm gonna say it. Evan White.
Oh, I can't. Okay.
Another. We have another one of these. We got opened
Snellish
one yesterday.
Relish. Oh, are these sideways now?
Yeah, landscape.
Yeah, I knew that.
Ian Anderson.
Wow, a lot of landscape cards there.
Yeah. Alright, not anymore. Okay.
Daniel Johnson.
Okay. This is so much easier now. I don't have to fail to pronounce things.
I like pronouncing things. That's part of what I like about card opening.
Yeah,
Like,
I
this
mean, I'm
person.
just not good at it, and it's kind of embarrassing. So, Joey
Right.
Gallo.
That's a good one.
Yeah, Liam Hendricks.
See, Walker Bueller, 1986.
Ooh, this is cool.
Like it. You get another Trout.
Ooh, I'm making an executive decision.
I agree with that executive decision.
Executive.
Okay, well, it's my executive decision.
Okay.
Don't steal my thunder.
Okay.
Oh, we got this yesterday.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Hands up, yeah, belly. Go
Hands
lift.
up,
Go,
masks up.
go dislocate that shoulder.
It's a COVID card.
I
Manny
love it.
Machado.
I love my shoulder, so I
Juan
just-
Soto. Can I make another executive decision?
Yeah, sure. But we might have to. We only
Love
have
all
one
the
more executive spot.
executives.
All right, and then the Tigers.
So now
Okay, so you can undo some of my executive decisions if necessary, but they have still been made, and they're still equally important.
Dad,
Okay.
can we take the plate off the floor?
that's a, that,
What?
that's a
Wait, what?
that's supposed to be a post-production pre-production deal, buddy. The fact that we had to put a plate on the floor to get this done.
We didn't have a plate on the floor. Look at that.
We were trying to make space for our QK quality card.
All right.
But it's so cool because it has a code.
What are we up to? We're up to 11 minutes, so we probably won't open it up this whole thing. It seems like it's be a little excessive.
Yes.
Alex, PD's 1-for-1 today.
Yay! Yeah, while we're doing the card opening, we're like,
Okay.
Oh no, the Marlins just scored against
Okay,
us.
John Lester, Sterling Marte. Playful bout of juniors.
Oh, by the way, PD's
That looks like they're
Alonso.
fighting. That looks like they're fighting.
Yeah.
The diehards.
But that's
know
a cool-
that
that's a
PD is
cool-
Pete
that's a cool one.
Alonso.
Yeah.
So
Okay, Luis Pantino is a rookie. Brandon Drury. Devon. Martel. Ooh.
Fancy card?
Yes. Toscar Hernandez. He had a good year last year. That is a cool card.
Good card.
We like that.
Cards for
exactly.
I'm gonna put it over here.
In the
And then we have
pile.
another home run card for Chris
Bryant.
Bryant. This is our second one.
Oh wow.
Yep. So we have another one of these. We like that.
Oh, so we can make two?
Aaron
double the
Judge.
chance that we
Aaron
could-
Judge.
Wait, so Dad,
401
that's double
breaks.
That's double the chance that we
Claim
can go
your
to a
Aaron
home run
Judge.
derby. Wait, Dad, if we win both and can go and win both for the home run derby, we can get 4 tickets to the home run derby, and then we can take the whole family.
Ooh.
Yeah. I think we should expect that. A get up. This is a really good Mets card for you guys.
Let me see. Who is it? Ooh, I like it. I call it mine.
Okay.
Okay,
call the
you got it, you
Padres
got it.
one. I call the
Oh,
Padres
really?
one.
Nick
Okay,
Madrigal.
cool. Yeah, you totally take that Padres one. I like that one.
Oh, Alec Boehm.
Ooh.
I like Alec Boehm.
Same. He's like, I wish he wasn't on a Philly,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alec Boehm. I mean, Alec
Philly
Boehm
fans,
and
but, like,
Mountcastle.
but we don't like.
I think are
We're
who
Mets
I'm
fans,
highest
so
on, other than
don't-
Andres
don't-
Jimenez.
yeah.
But
Yeah.
Everyone
okay.
knows that every Mets fan
Okay,
hates the
let's see
Phillies.
No, don't say that. Don't say that. It's a rivalry, which is always exciting. Tony Gosselin, Brady Singer.
And
He's a
there's nothing
rookie,
wrong with the
1986.
Phillies fans, there's just
Chris-
something wrong with Bryce Harper.
Chris Bryant,
Yeah, the Phillies.
Future Stars, Dansby Swanson, Biggio, Luke Voigt,
Who is not better than Pete Alonso.
No.
Gratterall, who I pronounced this. I got it. We got another Hemi. I'm giving this. So the last Hemi we did give to Alex. So this Hemi goes to Ella.
Thank you.
Ahmed Rosario isn't that funny? I got these two guys together. These guys are
And they're
both
making the
traded to
same
Cleveland.
throw.
They're both competing for shortstop.
And they're both making the same
yeah,
throw.
they want to stop being coupled together. These guys wish they got traded to different teams.
Probably.
Yeah, because they're like, okay, oh, I'm on Cleveland, but I'm still fighting for the same guy for the same position.
Exactly.
and making the same throw in baseball cards.
Glaber is actually one of my favorites from young talents, but I'm not opposed to shipping him off the 401. Lewis Robert, I've gotta love this card.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is I think this is like the new rainbow foil ish
me see.
silver.
Oh wow.
Ooh,
Yeah.
I like
If
it.
Lewis Roberts a big
So you
deal,
could have
like
it
as
for
he
that.
seems
Which
to
a
be,
lot
and
of
it's got
people
the-
think he will be.
And it's got the rookie of the year
Clayton.
trophy on it. That card could be good.
Yeah, but I don't want it because I don't care about like
Okay.
if it's a rookie.
We'll open up a few. We'll open up some more. We'll keep it coming.
Yeah, guys.
Just to
you-
keep
Where are we at?
We know.
So we'll go to 20 minutes. We'll try to go to 20 minutes.
We know you guys want to keep watching. You
Yeah,
know-
you're just
everybody
obsessed
loves
with
us.
that.
Something
I really
else.
want to get like a variation parallel or something. Actually, I wouldn't know if we got a variation. I'd have to. That's more work later. But
Which
I
will
want to
not
get
be-
some rare cards.
more work, which I will not be helping with.
No, that's fine. So
While
let's
he's
go.
doing this, here's a
I'm
paper
only
clip.
in it. for
Alex
the
showing
souvenirs.
paper clips. Thank you very much. Making this an educational video. I appreciate
Yeah,
that.
this is how you make a paper clip.
I'm only in it for the souvenirs, guys.
Yeah.
I'm in it to win it.
All right. So
Oh,
I'm gonna
the
get
cards are mine.
a whole bunch of cards here. This is crazy. I've never ever gotten a big box of cards before. So this is my first time. So
Dad, you don't admit that. You're
Yeah.
making a baseball card video. You pretend you do this every
Oh,
day
yeah.
of your
I'm a
life.
pro.
We
I'm a
do
pro.
This every
So we
day,
have-
and we only record
so-
some of it.
so we
like,
have-
God.
We only record the gold.
okay.
Yeah, like the golden.
Lucas Giolito. Okay. So let's go quick here. Pete Alonso.
Yes.
Hey!
Okay, mine.
Oh,
Wait, I have to
You can
see.
take that.
Or you can have it if you want.
No. You got it. Molina, like him. And I'll go. Oh, I like that. Roberto Clemente through the years. That is the Roberto Clemente 1955 rookie.
Wow.
Oof. My favorite card of his is his 1956 card. Just the way it looks. It's so cool. I like that too. Albert Pujols, quite the Hall of Famer he'll be.
Yes. Him
Brett
and Mike
Gardner.
Trout, same team.
Austin Meadows,
Escobar.
Mookie,
Mookie. I like to say
Mondesi,
Escobar's name.
Justin Verlander. Okay. John Means, Vladdy,
Vladdy.
Ooh.
Aguilar. What is he? Harper, Ella's favorite. Kirby Yates, Sonny Gray.
Mine too.
I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
Ryan Brazier?
So
I don't think I
new.
know. Arenado.
Arenado.
I always say his name wrong. My kids correct me because they're better at pronouncing things.
We're better.
He is, wearing a different uniform these days. Goldschmidt.
No Rocky.
Braves.
He's now a bird.
They have That's, you know what? Brave shot without Acuna, huh?
Are you sure about that?
Without Freeman or Acuna, as far as I can tell.
Are you
Wait,
sure
let me
about
see.
that, baseball card makers?
Why would they
Hey.
do that? I'm sure there's so many better pictures.
Yes, way better. So there's like amazing
And
stuff.
they all look like very uncomfortable.
Okay, Max. Okay, another rookie that I haven't heard of. And we'll go through these. Jose Abreu,
Ooh.
MVP. Byron Buxton. Nate Pearson, cool. Nolan, again.
Okay, wow.
Verlander.
A lot of Nolan Arenado.
Travis
Yeah, a lot
Darno.
of Nolan Arenados.
Yu Darvish. I like Yu Darvish. Now,
Padre.
a Friar.
A dad.
Our daddy.
Yeah.
Diddy.
Arizona.
Yes.
Pittsburgh.
Pittsburgh.
Tyler Stevenson. Haven't heard of him. Okay.
He's blowing his bubble gum.
Eddie Alvarez. Okay, now we're going backwards. Upside down, rather.
Upside down.
Okay.
Upside down.
Casey Mize. Oh, he's one of the big ones.
This is completely off topic, but the Marlins are one hitting the Mets right now.
Oh, Sixto Sanchez. This
He
is
got the only
this
thing
is
right.
this is a guy I've been looking for. Sixto.
Sixto.
Cool name. Coolest name in baseball.
Okay.
Apparently you don't agree. Christian Yelich. Taylor. Motor City Mashers. Which cool.
Crazy game.
Steven Strasburg. This is the Chrome. Like it. Jacob
Hey,
DeGrom,
Alright, you
1956.
can have it.
Yay.
Here you go.
You just like that I've been calling cards.
Okay.
Okay, my turn.
Post game
My
hand
turn
wash.
to be
Another COVID card.
Yay.
Thank you, Vladdy, for
Alex Gordon.
sanitizing my hand.
All right, now we gotta flip these guys again.
Flip
I
them
really like
over.
the design of the 2020 cards. They're really, 2021 cards. They're really cool.
Cool.
Like I like the stuff on the corners and stuff.
Yeah. Okay. Another rookie. Joe Adele. Okay, that's my first Joe Adele.
I don't know who that is.
He's one of the. Well, he's like a. He's
Didn't he do like?
He was one of the first card they showed when they were showing the 2021 Jesus
Didn't like a ball
design.
bounce off his glove and then turn into a home run? Joe Adele.
You
Or
mean?
another person?
I don't know.
I think
Doesn't-
it was Joe Adele.
Okay.
I pick bounces.
And then Miguel Andahar. Oh, that psyched me out.
Miggy.
Miggy.
His name is Miggy. It's not Miguel.
Malini. Nick Senzel. Dylan Bundy.
Bunda boop.
Mitch Haniger. And the Nationals. And I think we'll stop there. Because that is 20 minutes.
Unless you
All right,
want
guys.
more awesomeness from us.
All right, guys.
We might make a part 2.
Well, this
so
is
stay
this
tuned
was our
for that.
featured, but we kind of I think I'd put some other featured in here as well. And we got this one. Yep. Kiki, thank you.
Jakey Cake.
All right.
Okay, well, Petey! Can
Okay.
you see it? Can I see it?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.